Is your LG TV stuck on a failed update screen or giving you an error code every time you try to upgrade? Do not let a software glitch ruin your streaming experience. You are watching TechVibes, and we are going to fix your webOS update issues right now. Usually, these failures happen because of a corrupted download file or a network conflict between your router and the LG servers. Step 1 is the classic cold boot. Unplug your TV from the wall and hold the physical power button on the TV frame for 20 seconds. This drains the residual power and clears the system memory so the update can start fresh. Step 2 is to switch from a wireless connection to a wired Ethernet cable. Software updates are massive files, and even a tiny drop on a 2.4 GHz connection can corrupt the entire download. Using a cable ensures a stable path for the data. Step 3 is to manually change your DNS settings. Go to your network settings and enter DNS 8.8.8.8 for your primary server. This uses the Google servers to find the update files much faster than your standard provider settings. Step 4 is to check your internal storage space. If you have installed too many apps, the TV will not have enough room to download and unpack the new software. Delete a few large games or apps and try the update process again. Step 5 is to disable the Quick Start Plus feature in the menu. This mode keeps the TV in a semi-awake state that often prevents the system from properly initializing a new firmware installation. Turn it off and restart the TV. Step 6 is to verify your location and time settings. If your TV clock does not match the LG update server time, the security handshake will fail. Ensure your time zone is set to automatic and matches your actual location. Step 7 is to try a mobile hotspot. If your home internet is blocking the LG servers for any reason, your phone data might bypass the restriction. Connect the TV to your phone and see if the update percentage begins to move. Step 8 is the USB manual update method. Go to the LG support website on a computer and download the firmware file onto a flash drive. Plug the drive into the TV and it should recognize the update file automatically without needing the internet. Step 9 is to unplug all HDMI 2.1 devices. Sometimes a connected console or soundbar can cause a communication error that pauses the system update. Strip the TV down to just the power cord and try again. Step 10 is a full factory reset. If the internal software is too corrupted to update, a fresh start is your best bet. This wipes the bugs away and usually allows the TV to grab the latest webOS version immediately after the reboot. Here's a bonus tip for you. If your update is stuck at 99%, just leave it alone for at least 30 minutes. The TV is likely unpacking the files in the background, and pulling the plug during this phase can actually brick your hardware. If you are still facing any difficulty, please leave a comment below. I check the messages regularly and I will try to reply to you within 1 hour. Please like and share this video if it helped, and subscribe to the channel TechVibes. You are officially back on track with the latest features and a smooth running TV.